Greetings, ClickChauffeur users. Do you want to make it easier for your clients to book your services directly from your website? Today is a crucial move for your business, but also a very easy one to do. I'll show you how to integrate the ClickChauffeur module onto your website. By adding the ClickChauffeur module, you can provide a seamless booking experience for your clients. Let's dive into the ClickChauffeur dashboard and let's get started. Go onto Module, HTML integration. Now head onto the sidebar on the right. You've got the code right there. You just need to click on copy and then go to your website, paste this code, refresh the page, and this is how it's going to look like. And that's it. You've successfully integrated the ClickChauffeur module onto your website, making it easier for clients to book your services. Thanks for watching. Now you try with your website. Have fun and keep your clients happy.